What if I told you that one of the most powerful skin detox secrets might already be sitting quietly in your kitchen? Tiny, humble chia seeds? Yup, the same seeds people toss into smoothies or overnight oats could actually help clear your skin and give it that healthy, radiant glow. And no, this isn't some wild beauty myth. There's real science behind how chia seeds can support your skin, inside and out. Let me walk you through it like I'm telling a friend. Because honestly, I wish someone had told me this earlier. We all know our skin reflects what's going on inside our body. Toxins, poor diet, lack of sleep, they all show up eventually in the form of breakouts, dullness, or just that tired, uneven tone. But here's the cool part. Chia seeds are packed with nutrients that support detoxification and nourish your skin at the same time. First, it starts from within. When you eat chia seeds, either in chia water, puddings, or smoothies, you're giving your body a high dose of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. That fiber helps flush toxins out of your digestive system, which is super important because when your gut is overloaded, your skin often pays the price. Regular elimination equals fewer toxins being pushed out through your pores. Then there's the omega-3s. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, which is a huge trigger for acne and redness. And when inflammation goes down, your skin looks calmer, clearer, and healthier. Plus, chia seeds are full of antioxidants that fight off free radicals. Those nasty little things that speed up aging and damage your skin over time. But detoxing your skin with chia seeds isn't just about eating them. You can actually apply them directly to your face too. One of the easiest ways is by making a simple chia seed face mask. Just mix chia seeds with a bit of water or aloe vera gel, let it sit for a few minutes until it turns into a gel, then gently apply it to clean skin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse it off, and your skin will feel instantly refreshed and smooth. That gel-like texture actually hydrates your skin and forms a protective barrier, locking in moisture and calming irritation. It's perfect if your skin feels dry, sensitive, or just needs a little extra love after a long day. You don't need to spend a fortune on skincare products when something so natural and simple can be this effective. Detoxing your skin with chia seeds isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit, a ritual, a small act of self-care that adds up over time. Start small. Add chia to your breakfast. Try a mask once a week. Let your skin and body adjust and respond. And remember, glowing skin isn't about perfection. It's about health and balance. Sometimes nature gives us exactly what we need in the most unexpected ways. So the next time you look at those tiny seeds, think bigger. Think beyond the food. Think of them as your new favorite skincare ally.